Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Ryobi Premium Electric Pressure Washer. Alright everybody, how's it going? Ryan Huggins here, and this is the Ryobi Electric Pressure Washer. Now what's really cool about this is it's extremely simple to use. You literally take your hose and you connect it, turn on some water, you plug it into the wall, and you hit the start button right here, and that is it. And it works phenomenally well. In fact, I'll have a video for you down below where you can see me using the electric pressure washer to clean my deck. We had just recently moved into a new house, and the deck hadn't been washed for probably 3 years, and it was gritty, I'll tell you that much. But anyway, we were able to use this one. I really like this one here because it is electric, so it doesn't have that gas smell, things like that. Right here in the front, you've got your soap dispenser. You'll simply buy some pressure washer soap and put that in there nice and easily. This one does go up to 2,000 PSI, and it's gonna use 1.2 gallons per minute as far as the flow goes. And what's really nice, it's lightweight, it's not hard to maneuver. This cord, the extension cord, is extremely long, and it has instructions for you. You plug it in, you hit the reset button, and you make sure that it's ready to rock and roll. With that, you plug that in, and then you'll have your hose extension, which my hose extension is actually downstairs right now, and that is going to have multiple attachments. So you're going to have your soap attachment, which will be your blue one. You're going to have your orange attachment, which is going to be your pressure one, and then you'll have your more of a mist attachment or spray attachment. This one here, the black one, that does really well. So with this pressure washer, I've actually cleaned an entire car inside out. Bought a Volkswagen Bug, and it was a beater. We just went ahead and sprayed it all down, and it made it look much nicer. It's like the old school one, how to get the spider webs out of there and everything. Use this for that. We also are rebuilding a Cadillac, so we actually pressure washed this whole thing before we ended up sanding it all down. And then, like I said, we also pressure washed the deck here, and I will show you in the videos below the video of that one, so you can check that out. So again, this is the Ryobi Premium Electric Pressure Washer. I did want to show you also one more attachment. For the deck, I was using the orange blaster, and it worked really well, but it was taking quite a time. So what I did is I went out and bought the Ryobi 2300 PSI Max, 1.4 gallon per minute max spray deck here. So with this one, you'll attach the hose, and it just you'll push it on the floor like you're pushing a mop or a broom, and it will actually take the pressure washers on the inside here, the nozzles, and that does all of the spraying for you. It does actually have bristles for doing the brushing as well at the same exact time. And because of the extension here, it is long enough to reach with the hose attachment. So I really recommend that. It saved me so much time. It was crazy. Otherwise, it would have been a pain in the butt. But anyway, again, that is the Ryobi Premium Electric Pressure Washer. Make sure you go and get yourself one of those. I am going to go ahead and leave a link down below for you, so that way you can get that. All you got to do is click, take you to Amazon, and get you the cheapest one there. Also, I'll put a link for the attachment for the floors in case you need to do any floors around your house. And then also make sure you hit that thumbs up and really like this video for me. That would help out a lot, helps with the YouTube algorithm. And then also make sure you hit the subscribe button. And then when you hit the subscribe, make sure you tap the little bell and select all. That way you can see all of my review videos when they come out. Again, I'm Ryan Huggins. Thank you so very much for watching my video. Have a wonderful day.